So, what a big difference. As you can see, I'm standing on the Swan 41. We made quite some progress in the last weeks, so we thought it was a good time for a new update. The Swan 41 is now completely sprayed in a majestic blue color from Awlgrip. We also retaped the waterline because it was crooked on this boat. We had to level it up a bit at the bow. We did this by use of a laser. In the upcoming weeks, the waterline will be sprayed off-white. And to make the boat even more beautiful, we'll spray a gold line. Everybody loves the new Teak deck. This deck has been completely prefab made in the workshop and has been glued on a polyester backing plate. This acts as an extra water barrier. This means the boat underneath the deck is being well protected even after years of extensive use. So we're in the spraying booth. Here are most parts of the Swan 41 sprayed in off-white color. We've also sprayed some interior parts because we're renewing the ceilings on this boat. We sprayed it in off-white to match up the new color of the ceiling. To keep the boat as original as possible, we resprayed the superstructure and the cockpit in a new color. In the upcoming weeks, we'll only add the anti-slip back on the boat. And of course, we remount deck fittings. We have some special deck fittings, and I want to show you right now. Here at Yachts, we believe that good details make a boat even more beautiful. That's why we have decided for this project not to fit out the boat with the old original parts, but to replace all the original parts with customly made parts. Quite some progress. In the upcoming weeks, we will be mounting all the deck fittings back on this boat, and we will focus a bit more on the interior. We see you in the next video.